To add a slow motion camera to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now on the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on wallpaper and style. Next, tap on the lock screen panel. Then tap on the widget panel. Next, tap on camera. Then tap on custom camera. Now tap on start. Then tap on starting mode. Here we go down and choose slow motion. Then tap on the back key. If you would like to add in watermark, tap on the toggle button. Then tap on saved. And then tap on done. Now go to your lock screen. And from here you can quickly launch the slow motion camera. And that's it. So that is the slow motion camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.